Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Lovers. My name is Hardik Yadav and I am back with another exciting video of current affairs. In this video, I will tell you the current affairs of 5th January and 6th January 2022. So here is the first current affairs. Question first. To mention additional common equity tier first CET first capital ratios as in 2020. The Reserve Bank of India RBI on 4 January 2022 has announced that SBI, HDFC Bank and DAS will remain as domestic systematically important banks DSIBs. First ICICI Bank, second Yes Bank, third Punjab National Bank, fourth Axis Bank, fifth Bandhan Bank. The answer is first ICICI Bank. Second, for non-compliance with regulatory requirements, which of the following central government regulatory body has cancelled the authorization certificates for Moot Vehicles and SS Finance Limited and Eco India Finance Services Private Limited for non-compliance with regulatory requirement in January 2022? First, Reserve Bank of India RBI. Second, Securities and Exchange Board of India SEBI. Third, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India IRDI. Fourth, Pension Fund Regulatory as Development Authority PFRDA. Third, after completing a solo unsupported trek to the South Pole in January 2022, Das has become the first Indian origin woman to trek solo to the South Pole. First, Harpreet Chandi. Second, Kamla Barar. Third, Suman Rastogi. Fourth, Meghna Talpade. The answer is first, Harpreet Chandi. Fourth, PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the new integrated terminal building at Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport on 4 January 2022. Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport is located in which state? First Sikkim, second Assam, fourth Tripura. The answer is fourth Tripura. Fifth, which of the following state has become the first state in the country to have 100% LPG gas coverage in January 2022? First, Haryana. Second, Telangana. Third, Andhra Pradesh. Fourth, Himachal Pradesh. The answer is fourth, Himachal Pradesh. Question 6. After the government announced the Starlink internet service is not licensed to offer an satellite based internet service in India, who has resigned from the post of the head of Starlink India operation in January 2022? First, Sumit Mittal. Second, Ashish Jain. Third, Suman Bohar. Fourth, Sanjay Bhagrav. The answer is fourth, Sanjay Bhagrav. Seventh, in order to encourage customers to adopt digital banking, which of the following banks have made online IMPS transaction up to rupees 5 lakh free in January 2022? First, Punjab National Bank. Second, Union Bank of India. Third, State Bank of India. Fourth, Axis Bank. Fifth, HDFC Bank. The answer is third, State Bank of India. Question 8. Padma Shri awardee Dr. Sindhutai Sapkal passed away in January 2022. She was related to which of the following fields? First, politician. Second, social worker. Third, dance. Fourth, writer. The answer is second, social worker. Ninth, which company has become the first company in the world to cross $3 trillion in market capitalization in January 2022? First, Apple Inc. Second, Amazon. In. Third, Reliance Industry. Fourth, Microsoft Limited. The answer is first, Apple Inc. Question 10. To spread awareness about the importance bell as the means of communication, which day is celebrated as World Bell Day every year? First, 4 January. Second, 14 December. Third, 5th October. Fourth, 24 December. The answer is first, 4 January. Question 11. Who has become the first woman to command a nuclear carrier in US Navy history? First, Mitchell J. Howard. Second, Anne Barenschmidt. Third, Nora W. Tyson. Fourth, Marsha J. Evans. The answer is second, Amy Barenschmidt. Question 12. The Reserve Bank of India RBI in January 2022 announced the inclusion of which of the following in the second schedule of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934? First, Airtel Payments Bank. Second, Fino Payments Bank. Third, India Post Payments Bank. Fourth, NSDL Payments Bank. Fifth, Geo Payments Bank. The answer is first, Airtel Payments Bank. Question 13. Which place of Odisha has declared itself a child marriage free district in January 2022? First, Khordha. Second, Dankanal. Third, Ganjam. Fourth, Gajapati. The answer is third, Ganjam. Question 14. Scientists have identified a new strain of COVID-19 named IHU or B.1.640.2 variant in which country in January 2022? First, Spain. Second, Italy. Third, France. Fourth, Russia. The answer is third, France. Question 15. The Ministry of Power has completed how many years of distributing and selling LED lights under its flagship Ujjwal program in January 2022? First, 3, second, 5, third, 7, fourth, 9. The answer is third, 7. Question 16. In January 2022, which of the following ministry has launched Smart Cities and Academy Towards Action and Research SAAR program? First, Ministry of Home Affairs. Second, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Third, Ministry of Rural Development. Fourth, Ministry of Jal Shakti. The answer is second, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Question 17. The Reserve Bank of India RBI has appointed whom as the new Executive Director ED in January 2022? First, Rupesh Mishra and Sujit Kumar. Second, Amit Gupta and Ajay Singh. Third, Ajay Kumar Chaudhary and Deepak Kumar. Fourth, Sumit Gupta and Amrish Agarwal. The answer is third, Ajay Kumar Chaudhary and Deepak Kumar. 18th. Who was named the new chair of the UN Counter-Terrorism Committee (CTC) in January 2022. First, Syed Akbaruddin. Second, T.S. Tirumuti. Third, Harshvardhan Singhal. Fourth, Vikas Swarup. The answer is second, T.S. Tirumurti. 19. Question. Which of the following has announced the launch of a campaign to increase awareness of Indians around the need to buy health insurance to save tax in January 2020? First, Reliance General Insurance. Second, HDFC ERGO General Insurance Company. Third, SBI General Insurance. Fourth, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Fifth, Royal Sundaram General Insurance. The answer is third, SBI Insurance. The answer is third, SBI General Insurance. Question 20. China's artificial sun nuclear fusion reactor has set a new world record after running at 126 million degree F 17 million degree C for 1056 seconds, more than how many minutes? First 15, second 16, third 17, fourth 18. The answer is third 17. Here comes the current affairs 6 January. First, which of the following banks has announced London Interbank Offered Rate LIBOR with alternate reference rate ARR in January 2022? First, State Bank of India. Second, Union Bank of India. Third, Axis Bank. Fourth, HDFC Bank. The answer is second, Union Bank of India. Second, which of the following mutual fund company has launched Silver ETF and Silver ETF Fund of Fund FOF in January 2022? First, Baroda Mutual Fund. Second, Axis Mutual Fund. Third, Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Fourth, Nippon India Mutual Fund. The answer is fourth, Nippon India Mutual Funds. Question 3. What is the theme of National Science Day NST 2022? First, integrated approach in science and technology for sustainable future. Integral approach in science and technology for sustainable future. Industrial revolution in science and technology for sustainable future. Fourth, integrated university in science and technology for sustainable future. The answer is first, integrated approach in science and technology for sustainable future. Question 4. Which of the following state in January 2022 has partnered for corporation in the production of eco-friendly fuels and GAIL Limited? First Karnataka, second Telangana, third Mizoram, fourth Odisha. The answer is fourth Odisha. Fifth question. To create awareness about the plight of the war orphans and address the traumatic condition faced by them, World Day of War Orphans is celebrated every year on dash. First 6 January, second 16 December, third 4 January, fourth 6 December. The answer is first 6 January. Sixth question. Padma Shri awardee and founder of Shillong Chamber Choir has passed away in January 2022. He was a famous first singer, second music composer, third actor, fourth dancer. The answer is second music composer. Question 7. Which of the following places in January 2022 the 49th conversion of company secretaries organized by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India ICSI will take place? First Mumbai, second Bangalore, third Kolkata, fourth Chennai. The answer is second Bangalore. Question 8. To all the students studying at higher educational institution, which state government has announced on 5th January 2022 to give rupees 200 as one time internet allowance? First Haryana, second Punjab, third Odisha, fourth Madhya Pradesh. The answer is second Punjab. Question 9. In January 2022, which of the following country has become the 102nd country to join International Solar Alliance? First, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, second, Saint Kitts and Nevis, third, Antigua and Barbuda, fourth, Grenada. The answer is third, Antigua and Barbuda. Question 10. In January 2022, which of the following had approved a kit named Omishore that will be used to detect Omicron? First, World Health Organization, second, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, third, Indian Council of Medical Researches, fourth, National Institute for Malaria Researches. The answer is third, Indian Council of Medical Researches. Question 11. In which of the following state UTs the traditional New Year Losar was celebrated? Jan 2022. First Ladakh, second Uttarakhand, third Manipur, fourth Jharkhand. The answer is first Ladakh. Question 12. Hero Future Engineers has partnered with Dash in January 2022 to set up 1000 MW of green hydrogen production facilities in India, UK and Europe. First, Illumina Inc. Second, Next Hydrogen. Third, Ohmium International. Fourth, Jenner Inc. The answer is third, Ohmium International. Question 13. In January 2022, Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund announced the launch of Kotak Midcap 50 ETF, an open-ended scheme that will track the Nifty Midcap 50 index. What is the minimum investment amount for the scheme? First 1000, second 10,000, third 1100, fourth 5,000, fifth 15,000. The answer is fourth 5,000. Question 14. Which of the following city in January 2022 the two-day International Education Conference of Educational Institution was inaugurated? First Mumbai, second New Delhi, third Ahmedabad, fourth Indore. The answer is third Ahmedabad. Question 15. Who has been named as the winner of Ramnath Goenka Award in the photo journalism category in January 2022? First Raman Bajpai, second Sumit Mumram, third Jisan-e-Latif, fourth Uzrain Fareen. The answer is third Jisan-e-Latif. Question 16. Which of the following brand is not listed in the list of 6 brands under the one district one product approach under the PMFME scheme launched by the Ministry of Food Processing Industries in January 2022? First Amritpal, second Kori Gold, third Kashmiri Mantra, fourth Dashing Mango. The answer is for Dashing Mango. 17th question. Which company has launched a unique functionality called Unified Presentiment Management System UPMS in January 2022? First Google Pay, second Amazon Pay, third PayPal India, fourth NPCI Bharat Bill Pay is fourth NPCI Bharat Bill Pay. Question 18. Which company has acquired Israel cybersecurity startup Simplify for $5,000 million in January 2022? First Meta, second Google, third Microsoft, fourth Apple Inc. The answer is second Google. Question 19. Who has achieved the first ever Guinness World Record in numerology and the first world record of 2022? First Mayank Singh, second Abdut Sinha, third Ravi Balyan, fourth JC Chaudhary. The answer of 19th is JC Chaudhary. Question 20. In January 2022, which company has raised $4 billion in debt by issuing the largest ever foreign currency bond from India? First, Tata Consultancy Services Limited, Hindustan Unilever Limited, Larsen S Toubro Limited, Reliance Industries Limited. So the answer of 20 is fourth, Reliance Industries Limited. Thank you guys for this video. Like Thank you guys for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe our channels and press the bell icons for new updates. Share the video as much as possible and comment. Thank you guys.